Hidradenitis suppurativa. It is a chronic scarring inflammatory acne-like disease of the skin bearing apocrine sweat glands. Apocrine sweat glands are coiled glands which open into the hair follicles. Hidradenitis suppurativa is also known as acne inversa. It occurs commonly in women of menstruating age group. Smoking is the important etiological factor. It may be associated with acne, pilonidal sinus or Crohn's disease. Etiology 3/4 smoking, obesity, poor hygiene, polycystic ovarian disease. Diabetes mellitus, steroid therapy. 3. Genetic causes. It is associated with chromosome 15q24q25. Multiple members of the family may be affected. It may be associated with pyoderma gangrenosum, acne, PASH syndrome, or and pyogenic arthritis, PAPASH syndrome. Note: lesion is usually sterile. Bacterial infection supervenes in deep abscesses and sinus tracts. Staphylococcus aureus and Propionibacterium acnes are the common bacteria. Sites of apocrine sweat glands: axilla, groin, areola, umbilicus, scalp, chest and perineum. Hidradenitis suppurativa in the anal region rarely might turn into squamous cell carcinoma. Early staging system in hidradenitis suppurativa. Stage 1. Abscess formation, single or multiple, without sinus tracts or scarring. Stage 2. Single or multiple, widely separated, recurrent abscesses with sinus tract formation or scarring. Stage 3. Diffuse or near diffuse involvement or multiple interconnected sinus tracts and abscesses across the entire area. Note: the Sartorius hidradenitis suppurative scoring is made by counting involved regions, nodules and sinus tracts. Hidradenitis suppurativa. It is chronic infection of apocrine sweat glands of the skin. It is common in axilla, courtesy, Dr. Akaleshwar Dayal, MS, Itar. Pathogenesis. Obstruction of duct of apocrine sweat gland by keratin down pointing arrow. Dilatation of the duct of gland down pointing arrow. Infection and abscess formation down pointing arrow. Involvement of subcutaneous tissue in adjacent apocrine glands down pointing arrow. Fibrosis, scarring, sinus formation down pointing arrow. Spread to surrounding tissues common in females 4, 1. 3/4. The most common site is axilla. Often it is bilateral. Multiple discharging sinuses, with nodules in the skin which is tender. Induration due to fibrosis. Investigation. Discharge study, culture, sensitivity in AFB. Biopsy to rule out tuberculosis or malignancy. 45. Differential diagnosis. Tuberculous sinus. 3/4. Malignancy, squamous cell carcinoma of skin. Lymph node mass in the region which are in deeper plane. Treatment 3/4. Topical clindamycin 1%, topical resorcinol 15%. Oral antibiotics like clindamycin, erythromycin, doxycycline, needs longer course. Infliximab, retinoids, isotretinoin 0.25-0.4 mg per kilogram, may be used in severe cases. Wide excision, radical excision, of the involved area with skin grafting. Androgen therapy in females using oral estrogen or oral contraceptives or spironolactone or cyproterone acetate or finasteride. Ablative laser, CO2 or erbium YAG therapy is an alternate therapy often used.